How often should my Ames tester be calibrated?
We recommend that your Ames tester be calibrated once a year. We mark calibration on a sticker placed on the back of the tester, and when this tester leaves, it will be checked a month and year that is due for calibration again. We recommend they be calibrated at 1 year intervals.
And what happens if I don't calibrate my tester every year?
What could happen is that your tester would fail a calibration check, or you could start testing materials and have them not be right. Your tester can fall out of calibration, which will give you false readings.
Okay, and what circumstances would require calibration more often than a year?
Some people's quality programs require that they be tested at 6-month or even 4-month intervals.
Okay, so they'll know internally if they need to do it more often. It
Yes.
doesn't have to do with the use of the tester?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you, Doug.